Hello traders, welcome back to another honest EA review. Today we are looking at the Prospector Scalper EA for MT4 and MT5. This one's been around since 2018. It's completely free, as you can see here, and the developer positions it as a volatility scalper that uses a hybrid lot multiplication system. Sounds interesting on paper, but let's walk through exactly what the developer claims and what that actually means in practice. Right? But before we hop into it, you can download the free Forex toolbox for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so let's walk through the strategy as per the developer. So we have that the Prospector EA is, if according to the developer, it's a fully automated expert advisor that scalps during high volatility periods. It says it uses market orders and hides its decision making from the broker. According to the developers page on MQ5, it works on any pair but performs best on EUR USD and USD JPY on the 5-minute time frame. A VPS is strongly recommended. You can see down here. So the developer advises using a VPS when trading this system. Alright, so the core idea is catching bursts of volatility. It has an ATR based filter. Enter on ATR with period and threshold testing or settings. So it only starts trade sequences when volatility expands beyond a certain level. Entries can go with the trend or against it if you flip the reverse entry option on. So we have most of these in the settings. Exits rely on small invisible take profit increments. Think 3 to 8 pips for the initial ones, with a take profit max for the whole sequence up to 40 to 100 pips. There's an emergency stop loss that sets wider, 50 to 200 pips, because the main management happens internally. Right? The standout part is the hybrid lot multiplication. The hybrid lot multiplication algorithm. After a losing trade in this sequence, it can multiply the lot size starting from a small base like 0.01 or 0.02 lots, multiplier between 1.5 and 2.0 with controls on when the multiplication kicks in, and a hard lot limit so it doesn't run away forever. Only one trade open per pair at a time, no grids, no hedge, and net accounts compatible. Okay, sorry. There are no grids, but is hedge and net accounts compatible rather, and NFA slash FIFO compliant. Okay, so the developer mentions checking comments for backtest results, as you can see here, and optimized settings. Older signals from the author are referenced, though many of those are from years ago. Overall, the pitch is a controlled scalper that waits for volatility, takes quick profits when it can, and uses smart loss sizing to recover from losses without blowing up the account. Alright, so let's take a look at the developers testing of the EA, and then after which we are going to go over to my personal testing because I had the opportunity to test out the EA, do some back tests on the EA. So we're going to see if it actually holds up. So we can see how the equity curve looks on the developers test. It kind of looks like almost a 45-degree angle to the upside, signifying pretty decent gains over the period, even though he didn't specify the period used in the back test. But as you can see, the symbol he used was EUR/USD on the 5-minute time frame. His initial deposit was $10,000, and his total net profit was 13,077 dollars over the period. Alright, so the total trades taken were 19,715. So that's it. The drawdown was 60.5%. Alright, so there we have it. So right now we're going to go over to my own personal back test to see if it actually holds true and if it actually looks similar to what the developer had when he put it through his own back test. So let's compare it to mine. Just open up MT5. So as you can see, we have the EA here, and I'm using his recommended symbol, the EUR and on his recommended time frames, or his recommended time frame rather, the 5 minute time frame for the custom period of 1 year, ranging from 1st of April 2025 to 1st of April 2026. Um, okay, my initial deposit was $10,000, and for that, when I ran the back tests, the results were completely opposite to what we had on the developers page. So here you can see it. Their equity curve often looks smooth with different profits or decent profits, high win rates in volatile periods, and controlled drawdowns on optimized sets. In my test though, you can see the equity curve move in the opposite direction to what we have on the website, almost like a 45-degree angle downward move as opposed to the upward move on the sites. The key numbers that came back for the initial deposits of $10,000, as you can see, we ended in a loss for the 1 year period, um, losing $178. The profit factor was below 1 at 0.9, which isn't a good sign. The balance drawdown was 2.32%. The total trades taken over the period were 2,363 trades. All right, so you can see how it actually compares to what the developer has on his site. You can see it's basically goes down. You have basically a downward movement right from where it began down to the far right of the graph. But the key settings actually matter, like the ATR threshold for filtering entries, the lot multiplier and start point. That's the real risk engine. The tight take profit increments, max spread and slippage. The emergency stop loss is there as backstop, but you don't want to hit it often. Alright, so the thing is, it seems to be a volatility scalper with a mild recovery mechanism. It can work well in ranging of volatile sessions on low spread brokers, but is sensitive to news whipsaws, slippage, and changing market conditions. Call fitting is a real concern because optimization and past data doesn't always hold up live. Okay, so let's go back to the developer site. Okay. So in practice, drawdowns in real trading tend to be sharper than backtest show, especially if a sequence goes against you and loss starts ramping. Broker execution quality makes or breaks it. Tight spreads and fast fills are non-negotiable. So the EA is for experienced traders who enjoy optimizing, run it on a solid VPS with a good ECM broker, and are willing to monitor it as part of a diversified setup. Start very small. Beginners or people looking for true set and forget should probably pass. This needs attention and realistic risk expectations. So if you liked my review, drop a like, subscribe for more honest breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which EA you want reviewed next. And don't forget to grab that free Forex robot with tons of indicators and patterns from the description. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next one.